So let's have a refresh of our different climate zones across our world, what they're called. So we have polar, our very cold and dry all year round climate in Antarctica and the Arctic. We have temperate climates, cold winters and mild summers, just like here in the UK. We have arid climates, dry and hot all year round, like the Sahara Desert. Tropical, hot and wet all year round, like your rainforests in South America, Brazil. Mediterranean, dry, hot summers and mild winters, like you get in Spain. Now, this is also known as a warmer temperate climate. Okay, mountainous, so this is very cold, sometimes wet all year through, and you find these sprinkled amongst other climates like a temperate climate or a warmer temperate climate like a Mediterranean climate. So if we have a little look at our world map, we have our equator line running through here, the midline, and you'll notice that the red zones either side of that equator line are tropical areas. Now, either side of those tropical areas is arid, okay, and you can see above the tropical it's arid and also below. Then either side of those arid areas you have your warmer temperate, so Mediterranean, and also at the underneath the arid here, so it's like a mirrored effect. Then you've got your temperate climate here and also down the bottom here. And then of course you've got your polar in the Arctic Circle, and then right down here, which isn't unfortunately on this map, in the Antarctic Circle in the south. So it is a reflection as the climate bands run. So we're actually going to be very focused on Australia today. Now, as you can see on the world map, Australia has 3 bands. So we are going to look at that. And the reason why is because it's such a huge country. So because of its size, Australia has several different climate zones. The northern section in Australia has a tropical climate, and you find these amazing rainforests, particularly on the northeast here above Cairns, Cape Tribulation, for example, a lovely rainforest there. And so tropical climate there, and it's because it's really close to the equator line. Now, as you go south, it's warm and dry. So you come from a hot, humid area to a warm and dry area here in the centre of Australia. And then you have this temperate, more Mediterranean warm temperate, and then down here across the south, a milder temperate area. And you do get a sprinkling of mountainous climate in this area, which is called the Snowy Mountains, just further over actually, over here. So that is our 3 climates in Australia that we're going to be looking at. And it is literally because the huge size of this island, it spans so many climate zones and climate bands across our world.